away in the Sparkle Galaxy, there lived a curious little alien named Zoggy, who loved collecting colorful balloons from all over the universe. One day, Zoggy found a magical box floating in space with balloons of every shape, size, and color. But there was a problem. The balloons were all mixed up. Zoggy scratched his head with his tiny antenna and said, "How will I organize these? I need help from smart Earthlings." Zoggy sent out a message across the stars. "Can you help me figure out which balloons are odd and which are even? Come join me in my space adventure to solve the mystery. Kids, Zoggy is waiting for you. Watch my video to help him and become part of his galactic balloon adventure." Star Balloon.
Greetings, young explorer. I am REX-01, the number-knowing robot. Today, I'll teach you about odd and even numbers to power up our space station.
Hi, Rex. Odd and even numbers? What's the difference?
Check out the aliens. The one with the red shirt is all by itself. That's an odd number. The two black-colored aliens are carrying balloons together. 2 is an even number because they can share perfectly. Even and odd make a great team in space. Hello, I am Robo Classifier. First, I check the number of balloons by dividing them. If there's no remainder, the number is even. Otherwise, it's odd. Balloons are fun, and numbers make them even more exciting. Let's explore together.
One day, in the vastness of space, I found an alien with a pile of balloons floating near a shiny star. The alien said, "Help me sort these balloons into odd and even groups." I counted them. 1, 3, 5 were odd, and 2, 4, 6. 6 were even. The alien was so happy that it gave me a glowing star sticker for helping. Suddenly, we saw a meteor shower, and we used the balloons to float safely to another planet. Numbers saved the day, odd even, and lots of fun in space.
I have so many fun coding tips to share. Don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel and join the ThinkToons adventure.